Okay, so me and my little sister fun saying she ratchet, cause there's ratchet people in our apartments. Girl, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so here we fun to be doing. Hold on. Hold on. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this stupid thing. Okay, here we go.
What up, what up? This your boy Emmanuel and
Black.
It's your boy Deja.
follow me on Twitter at underscore coach.
Your boy now?
Destiny. You know.
Let her come out the house like that. She is doing
OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Beautiful. Gotta take this type of picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
She ratchet.
The girl, let me tell you what I got, my Mister.
Girl, what a baby boy.
and he came with a sister.
Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, but I still hit the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes, what's up? Had to get cute today. Apologies for a boot today. Had to be looking good, so maybe it just made bail. That's my whole shoot today. Need new shoes today. Got them tracks today. Got them tracks yesterday. Girl, you can do that. Gon' beef it up. Mood trip. It's the 15th. I got my food stamps. Got a brand new piercing, brand new tech. Paid $95 for this week plus tax. And then I spent my thumb. Girl can't have these pantaloons. Thinking that you better than I am. Then you think wrong. Whatever. She lie. My number. What? Bye. What's wrong with you? Shh, girl, be quiet. Hey, girl. Hey, look. Turn around. Let me get your sew in. Oh, okay. We'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
Beautiful. Gotta take this type of picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. About to put this thing on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause you ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her
Cause
face.
she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Cause she ratchet.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Karen. Into her yes, we bought it. Guess I am the baddest shit. Can't have this boo sorry. Cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy. Mari, Jordan song. Jordan Hill's my top press song. Pound, team dark skin. We don't let them rebels. Joe Hill to closet. New Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone, Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down. I'm with Team Bad Chick, Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team He Paying. I mean, what you saying? He might as well spend all on me because you ain't doing enough for yourself. What you think you doing? You ain't doing enough for yourself. Oh my God, girl. Oh my God. OMG, what do she have on?
She ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she ratchet.
I gotta take this type of picture.
Cause she ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she ratchet.
Because I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
Cause she ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Oh, she ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she too fake.
Cause she ratchet.
Thinking you look good with the leopard skin print. Why would you get leopard skin print? Oh, okay, I got it. Your hair is a jungle, and you ain't doing nothing for yourself, so might as well get the leopard skin print to match your jungle looking ass hair. Girl, you ain't nothing. You ain't nothing. Bye, bye. Get out my face. Bye, heifer. Bye.